up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi, and I'm back with another video. Today we are working with Julia hair, and inside the box it came with your classic wig cap. All the information will be down below for this hair, so I'm not really going to go on too much about it in the beginning. We're going to go straight to this install, and I will see you guys when we're done.
Okay, guys, so this install is going to be a pretty quick tutorial because my phone had a lot of problems going on, but it's okay, you guys, because our camera is coming soon. So I'm just positioning my hair. I kind of always feel like when wigs come with like baby hairs already kind of pre-made for you on there, I feel like it takes me a while to position the hair. But I'm taking my bedhead hard hat spray, and we're doing a glueless install today, so I'm just using this spray. I'm gonna do a total of 3 layers on each section of my hair. Go ahead and blow dry it, and then we're gonna lay the lace down. I'm cutting my lace. When it comes to glueless installs and me, I feel like I'm still gonna have to get used to glueless installs. As you can see, my ear tab was kind of coming up, but I did go back and spray it and blow dry it a little bit. But now I'm isolating my baby hairs down, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Chi Flex spray onto my hair just to give it like an extra lay when I'm laying it down. This is gonna get your lace really melted. It plays a big role in the process. So now I am just tying my elastic band over my edges. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wax stick to the back of my. We are doing a half up, half down style today because we did have a lot of parting space on this wig. So I'm just brushing my hair, trying to get it in like a good position. I did end up going ahead and redoing my little ponytail, so I might look a little higher when I get done. That's because I did redo it, but my phone had died after that, so you guys aren't gonna see me do that. But it is the same thing that I did. Nothing different. I just made my ponytail a little higher, and I took out the little wrap, which I thought I should have put it back around like the ponytail holder. But yeah. So now I'm just hot combing my baby hairs downward before I start doing them, and you guys are gonna kind of see me do my baby hairs. I am going to do a video on me doing my baby hairs, but this install, I feel like my baby hairs weren't as good as they usually be. So yeah. So I am going to wrap my hair down with 2 wrap strips and let it dry. I didn't get the footage with me taking off the wrap strips and curling my hair because, like I said, I did have foam issues. So we're going to go right to after I got done.
Okay, you guys, so this is what I came out with. Okay, you guys, so this is what I came out with. I feel like I plucked a little bit too much on this side, and I feel like this, I don't know how I feel about the plucking, but the hair is really cute. It curled really nicely. I really tried like to just put this whole bang to the side, I mean the top of the ponytail to the side, because I feel like I said, I feel like I plucked a little bit too much, but it's still cute and I really like it. I'm trying to come like back so y'all can see, but yeah. So the lace blended pretty well on this wig. If I could rate this hair, I would rate this hair a I'll give this hair a 9 out of 10 because I bleached the hair with 50 on the developer, and it kind of took, but then I had to go back and do it one more time. So yeah, I rated a 9 out of 10. The hair was really good. The company was very professional, and yeah. I just feel like my face looked kind of fat, y'all. Like, we finna start working out vigorously because I feel like I look so crazy. This hair is like a cute little style for like a cute little outfit or whatever. All links for this hair will be down below. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos.